Hello everyone, this is Victory. It's me on the host today. In the workshop there is one 12-meter stacking system which is ready in the workshop. Somehow it's just half ready. The main body, everything is just done. So on this stacking system we did some modification or we did some improvement to prevent the sheet once it's dropped from the arm. Let's see what's the difference from the old generation. The old one we will put chain on top of this kind of the table or the chain will remove. Once sheet will stacking on that, this kind of the chain will move the sheets sidely to here. Then we use the forklift or overhead crane to lifting up the sheets. But in the older generation, we have used the chain, and we find out once the sheet dropped down onto the chain, it will be damaged. So then we have changed it to this kind of the soft protection surface on top of the chain. And it become a little bit widened, and we did some change by the rotating part with some bearing block. The completely stacking system is about 12-meter length, and we have noticed in the beginning or in the first pieces of the stacking, the distance between the two legs is more smaller. It's just about 1 meter. The reason is that sometimes once the customer requires for stacking system, we will check what kind of the sheet length they want to produce. And we got the information like the minimum is 1 meter, and there will be 2 meter sheet, 4 meter sheet. The length of the sheet will be 1 meter, 2 meter, 4 meter, 6 meter, 8 meter, 9 meter, 12 meter. By this kind of the length, then we will determine what kind of the leg distance should be arranged in the stacking system. So obviously on this stacking system, we have noticed the customer demand for the sheet length. The first leg, secondary leg, third, fourth, fifth, the leg length is about 1 meter. And then cross to the 6th and the 7th, the distance will be 3 meter. And we can see from the video. So this kind of the sheet length information will help us once we building up the stacking legs, what kind of the leg distance we have to arrange in the stacking system. And this kind of the arm will support the sheet and drop it off. The driving mode is pneumatic. And this kind of the stacking system will reduce the labor force once the sheet coming out from the forming machine. Especially we can use it for the roofing sheets, decking floor sheets, and the roof tie sheets. This kind of the sheet producing coupled with the stacking system will be much more benefit to improve their production capacity. And even the best thing is we can reduce the labor force and more safety. Okay, this is our stacking system, which is used coupled with the line. One more time review the stacking. Okay, thank you.